showing off.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my God, dude. You just got off all that side berm. Did you hit, oh, you hit that?
Break that off. I'm fucking gone and good.
Oh, I figured, dude. Oh, I can't break the thing.
Well, at least it wasn't deeper than that.
Holy shit. Yeah, that has been a bitch today, dude. So bad. God damn it. Oh yeah, I know. Same way. I hate mud today. Huh?
Check the camera. Muddy?
No, but it's still recording. We're still good. That should be a good pic, or it could be a good footage. Hey everyone, as you can see in this video, I struggle with mud. I struggled all day on this ride, and I was fighting this heavy DRZ a lot. So I was tired, I was struggling, and as you can see, I was definitely frustrated. So enjoy the video, and as we explore a cave and I lose a $500 camera. Oh shit. Soup bog. Holy f. Holy shit. We can get it back out of there?
Yeah. It's usually pretty tight. There was a trail off to the side
God. Are you all the way back there?
Yeah, just ride that creek back like I do.
Huh?
Drive the creek back.
Woo! Holy. Oh.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's what I was telling you. Yeah.
Better check on Jeff. God.
Woo!
Man.
That was the hill I was telling you made up right.
Woo! Where's Jeff? Is he coming down or not?
Yeah, he was right behind me right out there.
Well, something's fucking happened then.
Before I make you mine, baby, you have to be sure you wanna be. Find it That was fun. Woohoo! No. I got it. Did you take the 360 off?
Oh my god. What are we gonna do?
It's gone now, dude. There's no point in fucking.
Are you serious? You don't want to go back and look?
No, dude. It fucking years to find that thing.
Jesus Christ, I knew that was a mistake.
We don't know where it'd be.
I mean, the only thing I can think of is on that hill climb.
That's what I was thinking, is on that hill climb.
I had it at the waterfall, I'm pretty sure. And I think it might have fell off on the waterfall when I was going up that.
You think it was the hill climb or the waterfall?
It was either the hill climb or the waterfall. That's my only two thoughts.
I don't know. Up. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah. You alright? You alright?
Sounds good.
Hold on. I'm trying to get there. Oh, God.
Hey everybody, if you notice, look at the rear fender. You can see that the camera is gone. So this is what we had to look back on and see the crash. And determined that the camera had fallen off when Tanner slid back and knocked the camera off.
Thank you. That's a good.
And here we are back on the scene after reviewing the footage. We determined that it was the hill climb, so here we are going back to try to find it. And we eventually do.
I'll be the first one.
Oh my God, dude.
I'm gonna slide down this, so I might as well just commit croc surfing.
So it's got to be right in there, dude. Right around your feet.
Dude, I think it's at the bottom. See where that big rock is down there?
I absolutely agree. I think it bounced down a
I
lot
might
farther.
even, I might see it, dude. It's black.
Huh?
You could probably, I think I could see it.
Well,
Like, put your face right where, it's right above his head. Like,
slide down on your ass.
Yeah, I think I see what you're talking about.
I think it's right here.
Damn, I wish I could fucking record this.
Ding, 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 ding.
He looks like he's ducking it, fucking quack quack. Yeah! See, you carried the trophy up.
We found it. Didn't think we would. I was losing hope.
Yeah.